Hi, Mayor Tate here. The City of the Gold Coast is proud to once again support Gold Coast Open House. Our vision, inspired by lifestyle, driven by opportunity, aims to make the Gold Coast the place to live, work, study and visit. While the Gold Coast skyline is world famous, the city is full of architectural gems, each with its own unique story. Due to COVID-19, this year's open house will be delivered virtually, giving you access to more houses and venues than ever before. You'll be able to experience virtual and behind-the-scenes tours of places never accessed by the public. This year's open house will run from the 17th to the 18th of October, and I hope it will continue to inspire and enhance the way you view our city.